Well, hello. Look at that. We are back in our craft room. Although I'm very sad. I want to go back to this past weekend. I want to be in the hotel room crafting with all my friends. Well, let me do one thing behind the scenes here real quickly. Hello, hello. Come on in. Come on in. Um doing one quick thing and Doo doo. Yes. Okay. There we go. Did my thing. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Hello, hello, hello. Let's welcome you all. If it's Tuesday, we're here and I normally say hi friends, but maybe I'll say hi inklings. How are you guys? How are you guys? I'll probably still say hi friends too, but Um, if you're new here and you're wondering what Inkling is, and or you're like, what is Chelsea talking about? Because I didn't watch her on Saturday. Um, we have a brand new stamp set out, and it's called Inklings. Because what is the chatterbox over here? There are my Inklings. There are my Inklings. Um, make sure you go back and watch that because it was a pretty fun live. It's short. It's a good one. So anyway, let's see. Well, hello, Chris from Wisconsin. Hello, Montana. Hello, Wisconsin. I see you. Let's see. I see Elk Grove Village. Hello. I see Ohio. Hello. I see Nebraska. Hello, Jason Downs. Um, Chris. Hi, Inklings. I was at a Escape and had so much fun. I know, Chris. Let's just go back, okay? It's great to escape. It's great to escape. You know what sucks is when you go back to the real world on Monday. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I had a doozy of a Monday. Doozy doozy. Hello, hello. Susan from Maine. Hello. Let's see. Hello, Inklings. Hello, Honduras. How are you? Let's see. Let's see. Who else haven't I said hi to? Hello, hello, hello. Um, Tara got her IKEA cubes up. Just got her delivery of acrylic bins, so she's sorting and putting supplies away. That's exciting. She got some new supplies while she was at Inky Escape. Um, Hello, Shannon. How's it going? Shannon from Madison, Wisconsin. Um, nice, nice, nice. Let's see. Let's see. Hello, Inklings from Milwaukee. Lee was also with us up in Beloit. Hello, Milwaukee. Let's see. Does anyone have the link to the broke online classes that Irene was talking about? Maybe Irene will put the link in here. Um, Nice, nice. Don't forget to smash the like button. Yes, yes, yes. Hello, Rose. Rose from Rockford. Rose was with us as well. Let's see. Hello, Debbie McCauley. Hello, Inklings. Yes. Hello, Kat from Michigan. Hello, Irene in Indiana. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. Hello, Kalinda in Kansas. Nice. Hello, Melissa in Roscoe Rockton area. I always forget which it is. They kind of go together for me. It's like one. Hello, hello. Hello, Iowa. Hello, Pam. Let's see. Let's see. I got so many people. Jamie. Jamie from Colorado, I think. Jamie from Colorado. Hello. Hello, Wendy in Idaho. Hello, Pebbles in Beloit. You traveled so far this weekend. Thanks for coming. Hello, Linda in Wisconsin. Let's see. Let's see. Hello, DeSoto, Illinois. Hello, Kansas. Hello, Jane from Michigan. Hello, Paula. Hello, Julie from California. Oh my gosh. Hi, Chelsea. It was super fun weekend. Thank you. Yes, definitely. Hello, Inklings. Nice, nice, nice. Let's see who else. Lisa in St. Louis. Hello. Hello, Texas. I see you. I see you, coastal Georgia. Hello, 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 Texas. Let's see, what else have I missed? Hello, Washington. Hello from chilly Washington to all my fellow Inklings. Yes, 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 yes. Hello, Ohio. Let's see. So many good people. You guys are all still saying hi to everybody. I'm still saying hi to everybody, and you're still saying hi to everybody. Hello. Okay, Irene put this in here. So Irene's got a class on Sunday, yeah, at 1 p.m. Central Time. And you can catch it. It looks like on her channel she'll have it on her channel. So if you want to watch it, it's on her channel. There you go. There you go. Take that off. Nice, nice. Oh, Jamie, you're from Michigan. I thought you're from Colorado. Okay. Someone else is on here from Colorado, and I always forget that. So that's the new one I have to remember. Nice. Oh, so nice. The weekend was unforgettable. Cannot wait till I get to attend again. Nice. It was so good. It was so good. So good. And I think I'm through all that. Wow. Wow. Yeah, it was good. I tear down part of my room, and then I also have to bring all kinds of supplies and stuff. And I underestimated how long it would take me to put this all back together again today. I thought, I don't know, 45 minutes or so. No, it took me like an hour and 15 to figure out. Like the hardest thing was this camera up here. Um, I couldn't get it at the right angle, but anyway, we got it all now. Hello, Alicia in Wisconsin. How are you? Yeah, nice. Um, so good, so good. Well, if you saw us on Saturday, you saw we have some brand new stamp sets. And we're going to be playing with those tonight for sure. Well, at least one of them. Um, we did reveal things. Um, my number one favorite from it's hard to pick favorites because they're like your kids, right? Hello, Tiffany. Tiffany was also with us. It's hard to pick favorites. It's kind of like they're your kids, right? Stamp sets when you create them and publish them. It's like they're your kids. But this is my favorite. Chemistry. I mean, come on. Come on. Look at that Ralph guy holding the beaker. And oh my goodness, he's so darn cute. He is so darn cute. So that is my favorite stamp set of this release. Hello, Lydia in New York. Um, Three cheers. You're so funny, Irene, for the adorable new stamp sets. Yeah, yeah. Hello, Gloria in Florida. Nice, 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 nice. Chemistry is a great set. Hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray. Three cheers. There you go. Chemistry Ralph is awesome. Yeah. So we made a project, but we didn't use Ralph on the project. So I haven't stamped him yet, and I'm dying to stamp him. So do you mind if I stamp him tonight with you guys? I'm going to pull him out. I had to pull the dies out and all that, but it's going to be so much fun. I will have to get some cardstock because I just realized I don't have any cardstock in front of me, but that's okay. It's right over here. And let's see. I think that's about it. Um, maybe we'll review real quickly for those of you that might have missed Saturday. Um, the new stamp sets. So maybe I'll flip my camera and we'll do that real quick. And then I'll get my supplies and we'll start crafting. Kind of know what I want. Yeah, want to do. Here we go. Let's add this to the stage. Whoop. Oh, that was interesting. Okay, it went right to it. No worries. This is what I was thinking. Oh yeah. Or this. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Now make it big. Okay. Technology. Yeah. Yeah, thanks, Irene. The new release bundle is still on sale. It's on sale through Thursday. So if you want all 5 of these sets, you are in luck because it's on sale. I want to say it's $93. Um, yeah, and it would normally be like $107. So you're almost getting a stamp set free with that, and they all come with dies. Yes, yes. So chemistry again is like my favorite, and that's what we're going to use tonight. So that's chemistry. The other four, let's talk through these. We've got caring words. I love this. We've got big words, we've got fall words, we've got holiday words. Now we have caring words. So I'm sorry. Be kind, hugs with sympathy. We all need some caring now and then. Trust me, we all need caring. Um, Ostrich. I absolutely love this ostrich. So many people were playing with this weekend, and I love the way everyone was coloring her. And oh my gosh, she's so fun. She's got a purse. She's got a hole to poke her head out of the sand. I mean, it's so fun. It's such a fun set. And then, of course, we've got Mr. Armadillo with his cowboy hat and his sheriff's badge. Shell, yes, I'm fabulous. Yeah. Yeah, Irene says, yep, $93, savings of $14 buying all 5 sets. That's like getting a set for free, basically. And then finally, inkling words. Inkling words with hashtag inkling. Everyone needs this one for sure. We gave a few of these away on Saturday night. Absolutely love this set. Have an inky day. Inking of you. Inky hugs. Inky mail. Inkspiration starts here. Let's get inkling and hashtag inkling. Nice, 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 nice. Oh, everyone's telling me what their favorite is. Hashtag inkling with the ink splats. Thanks, Irene. Super fun, super fun. And those of you at home playing, go ahead and drink. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I didn't say super fun very much this weekend, did I? No. Did I say super cute? Maybe a little more. But anyway, oh my gosh, so fun. Can we escape again this weekend? I need to escape again this weekend. That is for darn sure. Okay, well, I'm going to leave chemistry here on my desk, but blah, 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 my desk here. Although I have this one, although I had to steal this guy's dies, and I'm going to have to cut those apart because I did not find my dies right before I went on camera. So we're going to have to cut some dies, which is fine. You'll see how I cut my dies. And what else? Cheers. You're so funny, Irene. Uh, Lisa, she's free. So yeah, let's see what we can do. Okay. Stamp. This looks like a good piece of cardstock. We're gonna stamp on this one. Okay, I'm gonna cut these dies apart. As you know, we supply you with dies, and they're normally connected to our set. So we sell these lovely die snips in our store, and I tell you, these get so super close, and they cut like butter. And I want to say they're $8.95. They are not expensive at all, and they will be your best friends for cutting apart these dies. That's for sure. And they don't get dull, as far as I know. I can't tell you how many die sets I've cut apart, and they don't seem to get dull for me. So there you go. Look at that. Easy as pie. Just just cut them apart. Irene says this may be my favorite Ralph set ever. And that's saying something because, yeah, the sentiments are good. Ralph is good. Someone asked me if Ralph's tail was on fire. I'm like, no, he's just got a beaker and there's bubbles coming up. His tail's not on fire. He's holding the beaker. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Well, Lee, how's your ankle, Chelsea? There's a question for you. My ankle is good. I was hobbling when I got home. I stuck up my foot again when I got home and fell asleep in the. Imagine that. I fell sound asleep in the recliner with my foot up, which was probably a good thing. And went to the doctor yesterday. They just said I have a bad sprain. I kind of knew it, but thank you to all the caring and nurses and caring people and everything that were at InkyScape this weekend, worried about my ankle. I was hobbling a little bit. I was resting it a little bit. Yeah, but it's much better. So nice. Journey's coach Jen says she's coloring this on right now. Yeah, so fun. What did I do to it? I wish I knew. I wish I knew. I don't know. All I can think of is we went to dinner one night and I stepped out of the car and I stepped down I stepped in a pothole. So I kind of thought I was going to step here, but yet my foot landed way down here and I think it twisted, but I have no idea. Yeah, I got on the wrong side of a pothole. That is correct. So we are going to stamp Mr. Ralph. I need to, oh my gosh, I have a really cute thought for this whole card. So we are going to make this cute card. Actually, let's see if I've got. Thank you. I would love it if I could find that. If I can't, it'll be okay. This is me trying to use my stuff when I get back from. Oh, is that it? Is that it? Is that it? Ah, no. Okay, this will work anyway. I was trying to find my Olo cardstock. I love my Olo cardstock. This stuff is super smooth. This might actually be the same stuff. Yeah, it's the same stuff. But I was looking for my Olo cardstock. I stashed it away. Oh, maybe. Ah, I found it. My Olo cardstock. I love using this Olo cardstock for coloring images. I mean, if you want to talk about smooth and blendable alcohol markers, Olo cardstock. Absolutely the best. Okay, let's put that back. I don't think I have any of this in my store right now, but I am getting some soon. I'll just put that out there. So if you're interested in Olo cardstock, put a little note on there saying that you want some, but just know that I probably won't have it for just a couple weeks, but I am getting a restock. So yes. Here we go. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Nice. Okay, we're going to stamp him. Actually, can probably get two of them, maybe even some beakers on there. Woo! Let's get this all nice and inked up. I didn't know which of my black ink pads would have survived the weekend. Not that, there, that's a good one. We had lots of make and takers, so I didn't know if some of my pads might be slightly dried up, but this looks like it's going to be a good one. Stamp him. Look how cute he is. Oh my gosh. Perfect stamped first time. Perfect stamp. Does the ink go through to the back? No, the ink does not go through the back. And the Olo ink also doesn't go through to the back. So that's also why I love it. But I also, well, let's check the back after we're done. I think it doesn't, but I'm not going to go on record saying that because it might. But what I do know is that it blends so nice. So nice. Love him. I know I do too. Let's zoom in a second because we're going to color. Should we color a test tube and maybe a beaker too, just for fun? Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, you know what? I'm actually going to do a couple beakers. I'm going to do a couple beakers. I know what I'm going to do. Okay. I did this technique this weekend and I amazed my friends. And maybe I'll amaze you too. Maybe you already know this one. Maybe I've done it before, but okay. I put 3 sets of beakers on there plus Ralph. Should I get 4? No, let's just do 3. Okay. And then we're going to cut these out. We're going to color them. Let's see. I need some Ralph color. I need some beaker color. Well, let's do blue mixture. That sounds good. Is this the blue I want? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So am I all zoomed in? I think I am. Yep, yep. Nice, nice. Love the bottle on his tail. I do too. I do too. Let's go ahead and color his potions here. Oh my gosh. So fun. So fun. And this is like the easiest set to color. You can add some shadows, but you actually don't need to because there's already shadows like on the set, which is fabulous. So I'm just adding this liquid here. And I have this liquid. Oh, so cute. So cute. Anybody here a chemist? Anybody a chemist? I mean, I took lots of science in college, but I'm no chemist. I can't even remember the periodic table right now, but yeah. Any chemists with us? And let's see. I'm going to color Ralph. I'm going to color him CG3. Nice. I stamped on Olo paper. I love Olo paper for using Olos. And I normally have it in the store. I don't think I have any right now. I think it's out of stock. If I get it in, if I get it in, I will email you. If you put your name on, be notified when it comes in. So looky there. He's got his little lab coat on. I love that. And then we've got his little cute face here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So fun. So fun. I might lighten him up a little. Let me use my CG1 a little bit. Blend it in. Oh my goodness. Look how fun he is. Okay. He's got his fun goggles. And all I need, I think, is a few shadows. So I'll add a couple shadows here. I mean, how cute is it that he's holding this beaker in his tail? So fun. So fun. I gotta get a little pink for his ears. And he's colored. I mean, he's really gray with his blue solution. And then I've got blue solutions. Let's see, a nice pink for his ears. Look at that. There he is. There he is. So cute. So cute. Look at that. So good. Experiment with your own Ralph. Yep. So fun. So fun. Okay, there's Ralph. Isn't he cute? I love him. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video, by the way, if you're on here. I'm going to go ahead and cut Ralph out. Put that here. Add a little dye tape. This thing was also very much talked about this weekend. Also on back order. Also trying to get more of them. So if you need a little tape cutter, washi cutter, go ahead and put your name on that one for back order as well. There we go. Now, oh my gosh, so darn cute. Look how great that cuts out. I mean, and you get all the bubbles coming up out of the test tube. Well, the beaker. I mean, so good. So good. Okay. And then again, I mean, these beakers, they already say so much, but we're going to do one thing. I taught this to the people this weekend. Amaze your friends with this. Now, you know, sometimes we use crystal glaze on glass objects or eyeballs or anything to kind of make them give a shine, right? I need to grab one thing real quick, but we're going to give these beakers a shine. I will be 2 seconds while I run to the warehouse. Well, no running because we don't want the ankle to be bad again, but this. People also ask me about my tape dispenser. This is my packing tape that I pack all your boxes in using this thing. No, I don't sell that, but it's good. I'm going to put packing tape right over these beakers. Now, I was really hoping I would just need one piece, but I'm probably going to need two. I'm putting packing tape right over the beakers. Now, you're going to ask me, why packing tape, Chelsea? Well, let me tell you. The packing tape, what it does is it actually gives it a glossy finish. Look at the gloss on there. I mean, you can tell just from my lighting, it gives a glossy finish, right? Susan said she was betting on packing tape. Yep, it was packing tape. So I'm going to go ahead and now I'm going to die cut these. I already colored them. Now I'm going to die cut them once I put the packing tape on. So let's get this here. And, oh, you guys wanted to know if it bled through. So here's how much it bled through. Just a little bit, not too much bleed through. But what it did do is it blended beautifully. Yeah, and it colors beautifully. So that's the Olo. Olo cardstock. You can get it from us normally, but it is out of stock right now because you guys have bought me out of it. They'll be back soon though. And so now look at these fun beakers that are all glossy. You see that? And no need to wait for crystal glaze to dry, right? Because they're already dry. So great. So great. I love this trick. Love this trick. Exactly, Jane. No waiting time to dry. I like the tape color for Craft Perfect dye tape. Yeah, I love it too for the Craft Perfect dye tape. I can always find it. And the cool thing is that you've got glass beakers now with like little to no fuss. It's so perfect. So perfect. Okay. And now I've got all of my beakers. I almost threw my die pads in the almost threw them in the there we go. I almost threw these things, the die cutting plates, I almost threw them in the trash. That's not where they go. Okay, so now we've got, oh my gosh, we've got all of these fun beakers and we've got Ralph here. Now we're going to make a background. I know what I want to do. Oh my gosh, this is going to be the cutest card ever. Cutest card ever. Okay, so we're going to cut a background and I need it to be the normal 4 inches by 5 1/4 to go on a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 card. So 4 inches cut, 5 1/4 cut, and I'm going to stamp my background. You know what? I actually might want to do this in more of a light gray. Can I do this in more of a light gray? Let's see what this looks like. Oh yeah, I want to do this in more of a light gray. I'm going to do light gray. Excuse me while I just cut some cardstock. I'm sorry that I'm not fully prepared tonight. It took me a little bit longer to get ready today, resetting up my room after destroying my room to go to Inky Escape, and then putting everything back. And setting up my camera again, because I took that with me. Yeah. It takes just a little bit of time. Okay, so there's my gray. Ah, love it. Okay, I'm going to take this atoms, nucleus, whatever you want to call this thing, DNA, I don't know what it is, and I'm going to put that on a block. What is the you chemists? What do you call this thing? Molecule, maybe? I don't know. Whatever you call it, let me know what you think it is. I'm gonna go ahead and stamp this. Now I'm gonna stamp this randomly off, and I'm gonna stamp it all over the card front, and I'm turning it. So I've got this great nuclei background. Again, I make the stamps. I might or might not know what they are. I know they have to do with chemistry, but I might not know the exact name of them. So I might need some help from the chemist out there. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. I'm going to. Oh, so sweet. Look at that. Oh, it's a helix. Molecules, DNA molecules. You think? You think? I mean, I trust you. If you guys think it's a helix, if you guys think it's a DNA molecule, I trust you. Oh my gosh. And so here we've got this. Now, I think I'm going to add just a little light blue, not that dark blue, but I'm going to add a little light blue to some of the molecules, or again, helix, whatever you want to call it. So let's find a lightish blue. See if this is a nice lightish blue. It's still a little dark. Let's see this one. That's a nice one. So some of these I'm just going to add blue to, just to kind of give it some pizzazz and some color. Super easy to color. They're just little circles. Add a few little dots of color here and there. Nothing special. Oh my gosh. Look how fun this is. Let me zoom in for you so you can see it. Whoop. There we go. It's a helix. A helix is a twisting ladder. Oh, that's a helix, Lee said. Vicky says, I have no idea. I'm just guessing. Me too, Vicky. I'm right there with you. Right there with you. It's been a few years since I've been in chemistry class, that's for sure. I did take chemistry in college. I took organic chemistry, regular chemistry. I took physics. Took some other chemistry, food chemistry. Man, I took a lot of chemistry. Oh my goodness, this is so fun. Just adding a few dots of color. Now you could color all of these if you wanted to. I'm not going to. I just want to add a bit of color here on the background. Oh my gosh. But I could get addicted to just coloring these molecules. And how fun are these? So fun. There, look at that. What do we think? What do we think? Oh, look at that. So great. Looks like your beakers are blinking. Oh, that's because I got blinking lights up above. That's so funny. I got blinking lights above. It's my dragonfly lights above my desk. And so, yeah, right there. Look at that. Oh, they were blinking. Well, they were blinking. Yeah, very fun. Very fun. And because they're glossy, they pick up that, they're picking up that light. That's so funny. That is so funny. Let's see if I can get these to blink. Maybe, maybe, no. Okay, well, yeah, you saw it. Feel free to rewind me and see it again if you need to see it. Okay, he's in a world of molecules. Now, I want to do something cool to still see that background, but I want to see him. So I thought what I'd do, you guys tell me, should I put him? I'm going to get a piece of vellum and I'm going to cut the vellum so you can still see through. Should I do the vellum on a hexagon? Should I do them on a hexagon? That might be fun. Or should I do them on a circle? Here's a circle. I mean, the molecules seem to be circular and it's got stitching on it. Should I do them on a circle or should I do them on a hexagon? You guys vote while I get the, while I find the vellum. Oh, is this vellum? No, no, that would have been too easy if I found it that fast. Clear cardstock. Not vellum. Ah, vellum. Vellum. Vellum card panels. Hexagon. Hexagon. Yeah, you guys want the hexagon? Okay. Hexagon it is. Hexagon it is. This seems light. Let me see if I got some heavier vellum. Thought I had heavier. Oh, this is nice and heavy. Oh, you know why it's nice and heavy? Because it was 2 sheets. It was really nice and heavy. But I think this is heavier. Yeah, this is thicker. I'm going to use this slightly thicker stuff for this one. Just because I want it a panel and I might pop it up. Okay, you guys are saying the hexagon. And so there's Ralph with the hexagon. Oh my gosh, how cute does that look? Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so I'm going to make this hexagon. Good, I can put this hexagon also in this little die cut machine here because I don't think I unpacked my die cut machines yet. I just thought about that. Good thing it works in this one. A couple of you picked up some fun die cutting machines this weekend, didn't you? Okay, let's cut this. Okay, now how cute is that with those stitches around it? These are the Lisa Horton hexagons that are in the store, just so you know. And let's see, let's get this. Okay, so what I want to do is I actually want to pop that section up. Oh, I love it. I love it. And I'm going to pop it up and pop Ralph up behind it. And then I'm going to put a sentiments and we're going to add beakers. How cute. How stinking adorable. I might just like tuck those under even. And oh my gosh, that's pretty much going to be the layout of my card with a sentiment. Oh, I absolutely love this. Okay, so I've got some foam squares. Let's go ahead and pop these up like so. I'm going to pop Ralph up on that hexagon. So cute. Isn't he cute? Great little fun, easy card for all the chemists in your life. Or maybe, maybe your kiddo is doing a science fair, or maybe he's taking a big science test, or she, and or got a new job in a lab. You know, you might need this chemistry set. I'm just telling you. I'm just telling you. So cute. So cute. Maybe they're graduating with their chemistry degree. Oh my gosh. Now I'm going to also pop those up, but let's work on a sentiment next, okay? Let me scroll down here. I might be missing some. If you haven't done your CR card yet, use a hexagon. Ah, I might do. It might. Um, Nice, nice. Tall hexagons is currently sold out, but you can get notified here, and I actually already have them on order. Maybe you have a wedding coming up and you want to honor the couple's chemistry. That would be great. If you have two scientists that are getting married, which I think actually someone at InkyScape did, and they got this chemistry set. Yeah. So here are your choices for, I want you to pick which one you want. I should have done a poll, but I didn't. You charge my particles, you make my beaker bubble, sorry for my reaction, we've got chemistry, or life is a wonderful experiment. What would you like? You charge my particles, you make my beaker bubble, sorry for my reaction, we've got chemistry, or life is a wonderful experiment. What do you think? The only thing you're missing is a diagonal cut. Well, look, on my hexagon, I've got a diagonal cut on my hexagon. What do you think? Think it might work? Beaker bubble. Yes, Irene agrees with me. Technically, when I put on my stretchy pants, the hexagons have diagonal cuts. You charge my particles. You make my beaker bubble. Life is a wonderful experiment. Kind of think life is a wonderful experiment. It's kind of fun. Life experiment. You charge my particles. Gosh. You know what? I might go with, I love life is a wonderful, you guys are all saying life is a wonderful experiment. So I think I'm going to have to do it. So I'm going to put it right across him. So let's get a quick, yep. See if this one fits. Yes, it fits. It fits. Okay, so I'm going to stamp this up real quick. It just fits on my sentiment strip that I had pre-cut down there. Life is a wonderful experiment. Life is a wonderful experiment, right? And we definitely experimented tonight, didn't we? Oh, that is so cute. He's so cute. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. I'm going to pop up these beakers over here, and then we're going to pop that right there, and I'm going to pop this. I love this. And I needed a sample of this new stamp set. So this is perfect. Thanks for letting me make a sample tonight with you. I might have to make some samples of the others, although we did use a lot of the others. I didn't use the caring words yet though. So maybe next week we'll use the caring words. Oh my goodness. So fun. And then, oh, I gotta angle this. Yeah. I'm gonna pop up those beakers too. See how I do this? I want to create shrinking dings with the paper and heat resistant tweezers that you sell. The beakers and the test tubes make great shaker elements. Definitely. Oh my gosh, could you see test tubes and beakers in a shaker card with this set? Oh, so cute. Okay, now I want to pop up the vellum. And how am I going to do that? I'm going to hide it underneath Ralph. So I'm just going to go ahead and hide this underneath Ralph and underneath this sentiment, like so, and you will never know that I put adhesive under here. Let's see. Is that, I might have to put 2 here. Or for it to go. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. There we go. Oh my gosh. Look at him. Look at him. You can still see all the reactions. You got the beakers. Oh, so fun. I actually might put some bling on it too. You know me. You know me. Why stop there? Why stop there? Oh, these might be fun. These might be fun. I'm pulling out all my fun things. Pulling out all my fun things. I love the blue and the gray. Maybe that's because all my InkyStamper stuff is like blue, black, and gray. And love it. Okay, do we need sparkle spots? I kind of feel like we always need blue sparkle spots. Oh, it might be a little too much. Might be a little too much. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Or I could do these. Love this card idea. I know, it's adorable. Ugh. Other thing, I got these. What are these called? These are high dive baubles. Oh my gosh. Yeah, these look better with the circles. And they're nice bright blue. Oh my goodness. And they come in all these fun sizes. And why aren't I using a tray? I don't know. Because it's easier just to dump them right on my mess. Yes. Yes. Okay. Look how cute this is. Is this card not adorable? Oh my gosh. Look. And I might put 1 or 2 right here. I mean, come on. Come on. So cute. So cute. Okay. That's my card. Let's go ahead and add these to the card. I'm going to find a black card base and we're going to call it done. Cute card. I know. I know. Okay. Just in case anyone's going to ask, we do have some great gifts tonight or prizes, but I'm not giving away this card. I love this card too much. You're gonna have to get your, I mean, how easy was it to make this card though? You're gonna have to get your own chemistry set and make it. You've seen how to make it. Duplicate it on your own. So fun. So fun. Ah, little dot there, little dot there. Kind of feel like these bubbles that I put by his head are a little too big, so I might, oh, I could swap. Come here. They're running away from me. Come on. Got my finger. I have glue on my finger too, so that was not helpful. There we go. There we go. Is that one stuck? That one's stuck. And then those two. How cute. So if you stick around, we got a few announcements, and then we've got prizes. Who wants prizes? They're good prizes. They might be leftovers from the weekend, but even if you went to the weekend, you can still put your name in because you might want to do another one. Oh my goodness. Look how cute that is. So cute. So cute. Okay, I'm going to stick these to the side. Put this away. People love prizes. I love prizes too. Okay, let's cut a... Is this already cut? No, no. Let's cut a piece of black really quick. Fold that over. It is such a cute card, isn't it? I don't know what was on this black piece, but look at that. Look at that. Life is a wonderful experiment. So fun. I love the bubbles. I love the molecules. You can see this is not Olo cardstock, but you can see that the marker also went through this one. It was pretty heavy. Shocked that it actually went through this, but it is alcohol markers, but that's okay. It's covered up. Oh my goodness. Life is a wonderful experiment. Is that crooked? Okay, I might have to fix that. It might be crooked. Okay, I'll fix it afterwards. Actually, I think it's straight. Maybe. Maybe it's straight. Isn't that fun? Look how fun that is. Is that zoomed in? Oh, there. Look. The black background is spot on. Yep. Spot on. Definitely. Okay. Well, with that, we have completed our card for tonight. Super easy. Thanks for sticking with me and doing that. Let's turn me around. There we go. Isn't it cute? Isn't it cute? Ah, life is a wonderful experiment. So fun. That's gonna be a great that's gonna be a great card for my display boards. Ollie is fully zeroed in on Ralph. He thinks he's a new bestie. There you go. Colors are great together. How does it compare to a glue gun or glue dots in use? Not really sure what that is. But I think you're talking about the glue press. And the glue press is fantastic because it makes just little dots for your embellishments or adds a whole bunch to the back of your card. Yeah, great card. Thanks. Okay, so I bet someone wants to win a prize. Before we win a prize, let's do a quick shout out to Saturday Morning Crafting. For those of you in Saturday Morning Crafting, it is not this Saturday, it's next Saturday, the 9th. I believe it's the 9th. It's like the Saturday before Mother's Day. And I do believe it's the 9th. And those kits are going out Friday, Saturday this week. They're almost ready to go. I was working on them last night. And looky here. We've got this one that spins, that lovely, it's on a nano spinner. And then looky here. This card, I absolutely love it. And do you see the shine on here? The glitter. Everyone was amazed. Oh yeah, there you go. Everyone was amazed with these cards this weekend. I was cutting some of them, and then finally this little card with this butterfly on a wobble. Yep. So this is for SMC. Oh, and look, where did it go? Look there, I got a sparkle spot right on my hand. Um, fluttering by to say hi, and this is for SMC, not this Saturday, but Saturday the 9th. And there's still a few remaining in the store. I think there's only 5 more sets. And if you are only already monthly subscribed, no worries, no need to pick it up because you're already getting it. So it's going to be great. Love the spinners. Yes. A little tag along sparkle spot. Yep. Tag along, tag along right there, right there. Oh, now it fell. Okay. Um, yeah, some of you are going to be at the mega meets in Novi next Friday and Saturday. So there is definitely going to be some of you out there going to Novi. I heard all about it. I was quite jealous, but I'm going to be here doing SMC and it's going to be fine. And you can always you can always watch the replay. We should all wear strategically placed sparkle spots. Yep. Strategically placed. Yes. Yes. Ah, yeah. Irene's going to be at Novi. I didn't know if she wanted me to shout her out, but Irene's going to be at Novi. I think Jen's going to Novi. Jane's going to Novi. You guys, there's going to be a lot of you out there. Yeah. I want to go on that road trip. Maybe I've changed my mind. Maybe I want to go. But I probably can't because I got other stuff. So anyway, the other thing I need to tell you. Uh, the other thing I need to tell you, I do not think I'm going to be on next Tuesday, okay? But watch on Wednesday for a possible live. There is I know exactly what I'm going to do on Wednesday. There will be a pop-up live on Wednesday at some point. I'll put a link on Facebook and you'll see it on YouTube pop up. But I'm going to something here in Chicago. It's called H&H, and it's more fibers and fabric and all of that, but they also do have some paper crafting stuff. And one of my favorite paper crafters is going to be there, so I'm very excited about that. But in my spare time, what's that, right? I like to crochet, so I actually like going to this one as well and doing crochet. And they're having a fabulous education series that we all need to be educated on a few things here. So that's what I'm doing next Tuesday. Next Tuesday. So anyway, that's that. So I don't think I will name drop who's going to be there. Okay, so one of my favorite people is going to be there. Eileen Hull. You guys know Eileen. I'll also see her when I go to Creativation in St. Louis, but if you follow along with her, she's been working on this little RV camper thing, and she's bringing it to the show floor. So let's see if I can't get some video of it. Yeah. What's my Facebook page? Aurora, it's InkyStamper on Facebook. Yeah, she's bringing Daisy with her. Yeah. So I want to get some video of Daisy. Yeah. And Annette says you can never have too many crafts. I agree, Annette. I agree. So let's see. Let's make me small in the corner. There we go. And let's add a Yep. And let's add this. Hashtag chemistry. Daisy. Daisy's her little RV camper thing. She's been calling it Daisy. Yeah, people want to go to Creativation. I know it's in St. Louis. I'm actually going to H&H, and then the following week I'm going to St. Louis. So hashtag chemistry. Oh, do you know what you want to win? I didn't even show you what you're going to win. Keep putting in hashtag chemistry. I'm going to make me big again. There you go. I'm going to make me big again. Okay. We're giving away 4 prizes. 4 prizes. You guys just want to win. You don't even care. You're like, Chelsea's giving something away. I want to win it. So we made these. These are roses because our theme was roses. I have two of these to give away. So somebody's winning the Katie Sue roses, and these are fabulous. There's two of those. And then people were loving these this weekend. There's two die sets. These are like some wonky frames. I don't know if there's an official title to them. I'm calling them wonky frames. Um, Classic shape. I don't know that I would call it a classic shape, but wonky frames. And there's 6 dies in here. 6 dies in here. And so we're giving away 2 die sets and 2 Katie Sue card fronts. And by the way, I'm a little tad bit backed up on shipping things out, but I did ship a lot out last night. So there you go. There you go. Yeah, Aurora, go ahead and like and subscribe. We come here every Tuesday night, unless I'm traveling, but I try to come here every Tuesday night. So, yeah, I'm not giving away Pop Rock's Journey, Coach Jen. But okay, let's go back to here. There you go. Hashtag chemistry. I do have Pop Rocks. That would be fun to give away Pop Rocks. We'll see. We'll see. But if you are so lucky, you might get Pop Rocks in your bag. Hashtag chemistry. Are you guys ready? I'm gonna go to the giveaway tool. We're going to draw. We got a lot of entries tonight. Let's go. Let's go. Round and round and round it goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. Leanne Weber. Leanne, congratulations. Let me write Leanne down. Leanne, you are going to get the Katie Sue. And my next winner is round and round and round we go. Where it stops, nobody knows. Paula Rice, you too are going to get my Katie Sue. And then who's going to win my dies? Who's going to win the dies? Next winner is, I see some of you in this that were here last weekend. Nice, nice, nice. Shannon. Shannon. See, now you don't have any FOMO. You win one of the prizes from InkyStamper. Nice, nice. So Shannon is my 1 die winner. Let's see who's my next die winner. Here we go. Gloria Davis. Gloria is my other die winner. Nice. I thought for sure we'd have 4 winners that were from InkyStamper, and you'd all be like, I want something else. I'd have to send you Pop Rocks. Anyway, congrats, guys. Nice, nice, nice. Awesome, awesome. And Aurora just said she's just subbed, but she might watch some before some of the stream before she hits the like. There you go. There you go. Nice. Nice. Well, I'm always here on Tuesdays. Let's make me big again. Here. Yay. And that's it for me tonight. So just a reminder, no, there will be no InkyStamper next Tuesday because I know I've got festivities going on with this thing I'm going to next week. So I will not be here on Tuesday night, but I will be here. I'll sneak in on Wednesday. I might take you on the floor with me a little bit. And everyone have a great week. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.